Hello and welcome back to Kilistore. So after creating your store, the next thing is to add more information to your store. So the first thing you can do is to come here to the online store, and then you come to the store information and then to the store design part. So on the store design, you are actually making your store look more better, and it can also help you in bringing in more customers. So the first thing you can add is the store background. So the store background, there is a specific recommendation of the image that you're supposed to use here. So it is actually written here. So there is dimensions of the image. So it is 1920 times 1080. So you add the image on this part here. So you'll just click here on the image and then you can add the image. So the other part is on the store description. So when adding the store description, it will make the client know more about your store. So you can write your description here, and then you can also change the contact phone and also the contact email if you had actually input a different one and you want to change it. So the other part is on the banner settings. So you can also include banners on this part. So you can include a number of banners. You can include 2, 3 or 4 depending on how many banners you want. So the banners also have a recommended size. So these are the dimensions of the size that is needed on the banners. So you can add a banner, you click here on the add new banner, and then you will see the option of adding the image. So the other part is on the product display, depending on which product you want to be viewed on the highlights. So you can add the products that you want to be viewed on the highlights. So let's add one product. So you come here and then you choose the specific product. So let me choose this one, and then you confirm. So I'll be having 3 products that will be viewed on the highlights. So the other part is the sorting of the products on the homepage. So if you want them to be sorted by the newest first, the best selling, or other in terms of price, you can change that option here. So the last option on the store design is on the footer settings. So you can include the address information on the footer, and you can also include the store locations also on the footer. So you'll add, if you input a store location, they will also be viewed on the footer. So the other part is on the social media. If you want to include your social media on the store design, you will come here and then you click the specific social media that you want to have there. Let's say the Facebook URL, or rather the Instagram, or even TikTok. So you will include the data for the Facebook here. So let's use that one for now, and then you add maybe for Instagram, and then you save. So after adding that information, this is how it will look like on your store. So this is the background that is on the background here, and this is the store logo, and this is the description of the store that you added. So on the banners, these are the banners that you actually added. So also on the products, since we recommended some products, these are the products that were recommended, and then these are all the products that you have. And then on the footer, so these are the contacts, the quick links. So let me just refresh so that it can show the social media that I had added. So if you included the social media, these are the links that will direct the customers to the social media accounts. Thank you.